Sorry I'm doing this video at night, but just if you have this problem where the little rubber seal here on the windshield starts coming off, like it's flapping around or whatever. Mine was like peeling off and like flapping against the side of window and stuff. And on both of them, actually, the one on the right just completely came off as I was riding down the highway, so it's completely gone. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have to pop this off, this plate here, and you're just gonna pop it from here. There's a couple guys that have videos on here. Open the door, pop it off. You know, it's gonna break off. You're gonna see here, you know, this little broken bracket here. Probably one over here somewhere. There's another one that broke. I mean, it's cheap plastic, so you have to replace that. And this bracket here, you're gonna have to undo all these little screws here all the way up, and then take that off, clean it up, put the new one on. Now if you order from the Ford dealership, this plate is about $150. That bracket is also about $150, $125, something like that. So you're looking at $300 plus $300, $600 total, which is pretty ridiculous. But if you go to rockauto.com, they got them for $90 for the pair. So I spent about $200 ordering this pair, and you'll see this bracket's the one with the rubber seal on it. So I'll be working on that, changing that out tonight. The reason I'm working at night is because my wife's got to take the truck tomorrow out of town, so I want to get it done before she heads out. So anyway, good luck. Like I said, there's a couple guys, a couple videos I found on YouTube. I'll try and put them in the comment section, a link to them. Show you how to, how to pop the faceplate off, and another guy that installs it. So good luck.